Buffalo Ranch Cauliflower. Hi, it's Jan Diatri, and today I'm sharing a recipe that's easy to make, tastes delicious, and will help you lose weight and keep it off. This is clean eating the Red Mountain way. Here's a healthy spin on snacking with a superfood, and you only need 3 ingredients plus some zero-calorie cooking spray. Now, cauliflower is a wonderful vegetable. It's high in fiber, B vitamins, and antioxidants, and there's only 25 calories a cup, so it's perfect for clean eating. I'm going to take the cauliflower and break it into bite-sized chunks. Once your cauliflower is cut and rinsed, spray a baking sheet with an organic zero-calorie spray. Arrange the cauliflower in a single layer and then sprinkle with a little salt. Heat your oven to 350 degrees and cook the cauliflower for about 30 minutes or until it's just beginning to brown. Once the cauliflower pieces have cooled, gently place them in a bowl. And now for the good stuff: Frank's Red Hot Sauce and Walden Farms Chipotle Ranch Dressing. While they should be used in moderation, they're considered unlimited according to Red Mountain Weight Loss Food Guidelines. And you know, using products like these are a great way to change up your daily meals or snacks without adding extra calories. So pour about a half a cup of the hot sauce over the cauliflower and do the same with the Chipotle Ranch dressing. Then gently toss to thoroughly coat. Now pour the cauliflower back onto the baking sheet, again in a single layer, and return the pan to the oven and cook for another 10 minutes or so to get the pieces nice and hot. When it's done, you have a sensational savory snack or veggie side that's guilt-free and good for you. Buffalo Ranch Cauliflower, a super idea for a favorite superfood. For more great recipes for clean eating the Red Mountain way, visit redmountainweightloss.com.